Imagine receiving a signal from deep space, not once, not twice, but again, exactly 16 days later, then again, and again, as if something far beyond our galaxy was keeping perfect time. For decades, astronomers searched the universe for patterns. Most radio signals from space were either constant or completely random. But in 2020, something changed. A mysterious object known as FRB 180916 began behaving unlike anything scientists had ever seen. Every 16.35 days, it woke up. For about 4 days, it unleashed powerful bursts of radio energy across the cosmos. Then, it fell completely silent for the next 12 days. No warning, no explanation, just a clockwork rhythm repeating over and over. The discovery stunned astronomers because nothing in the universe was supposed to behave like this. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, were already one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. Each burst lasts only milliseconds, yet during that tiny instant, it can release as much energy as our sun produces over several days. Most FRBs appear only once. They flash, then disappear forever. But this one kept coming back, and now it had a schedule. Scientists immediately asked the obvious question: what kind of object could create explosions this powerful while repeating every 16 days with incredible precision? The first theory pointed toward a magnetar. These are the most magnetic stars ever discovered. They're born when massive stars collapse, leaving behind incredibly dense neutron stars wrapped in magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Magnetars can produce violent starquakes. Those starquakes could generate enormous radio bursts. It sounded promising, but there was one problem. Magnetars don't naturally operate on a perfect 16-day cycle. Something else had to be controlling the timing. Astronomers searched for another clue. Then they noticed something fascinating. The signal wasn't actually active for the entire 16 days. Instead, it only appeared during a narrow 4-day window, almost like someone opening and closing a curtain. That observation completely changed the investigation. Maybe the bursts never stopped at all. Maybe Earth could only see them when something moved into the right position. Suddenly, scientists imagined an entirely different scenario. What if the source wasn't alone? Perhaps two massive objects were locked in an orbital dance. One of them produced powerful radio bursts continuously. The other blocked or bent those signals for most of the orbit. Every 16 days, the geometry aligned. The bursts escaped. Then the cosmic curtain closed again. The idea matched the timing surprisingly well. But another mystery appeared. The bursts weren't actually identical. Some were stronger, others weaker. A few even split into multiple components before reaching Earth. Something complicated was happening around the source. Then came another breakthrough. Using powerful radio telescopes around the world, astronomers traced the signal back to a spiral galaxy nearly 500 million light-years away. That distance made the discovery even more astonishing. For a signal to remain detectable across 500 million light-years, its source had to be unimaginably powerful. And yet, whatever was producing it was hiding behind a rhythm nobody fully understood. Some researchers suggested the orbit involved a massive stellar star surrounded by powerful stellar winds. Others believed the bursts were passing through dense clouds of plasma that distorted the signal before it reached us. Each new observation answered one question and created two more. Because no matter how carefully scientists studied the pattern, the universe refused to reveal the engine behind it. Then another unexpected clue emerged, one that suggested the mysterious 16-day cycle might not be caused by the signal itself, but by something even stranger surrounding it. The new clue came from polarization. Radio waves don't just carry energy, they also carry information about the environments they travel through. As astronomers examined the repeating bursts in greater detail, they noticed something remarkable. The polarization of the signal kept changing. That meant the radio waves were passing through an extremely powerful magnetic environment before reaching Earth. It was like shining a flashlight through thick fog. The light itself remained the same, but the fog changed what observers eventually saw. This suggested the mysterious source was surrounded by an ocean of hot plasma and intense magnetic fields, not empty space, a violent cosmic neighborhood. That realization strengthened one leading theory: a young magnetar orbiting inside a binary system. As the magnetar circled its massive companion every 16.35 days, thick stellar winds occasionally blocked or scattered the radio bursts. Only during a brief part of the orbit did those signals escape directly toward Earth. It explained the repeating schedule. It explained the changing strength, and it explained why scientists only detected bursts during a specific time window. But there was still one problem. No one had ever directly observed such a system producing fast radio bursts. The model fit the evidence, yet it remained unproven. Then astronomers made another surprising discovery. FRB 180916 wasn't completely unique. Other repeating fast radio bursts were found across the universe. Some repeated every few hours, others every few months. Many showed no obvious schedule at all. Instead of solving the mystery, the new discoveries made it even larger. Maybe there wasn't just one type of repeating FRB. Maybe different cosmic engines could produce similar signals. Some researchers explored even more exotic ideas. Could the bursts come from a neutron star whose rotation slowly wobbled through space? Could a disk of superheated gas periodically block the radio waves? Could gravitational interactions between unseen objects create repeating windows of visibility? Every possibility had strengths. Every possibility also had weaknesses. The universe wasn't giving up its answer easily. Meanwhile, the technology used to study these signals improved dramatically. Radio observatories around the world began working together. The Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Agency, better known as CHIME, continued detecting new fast radio bursts at an astonishing rate. Other telescopes captured details that earlier instruments would have completely missed. With every new observation, astronomers refined their models. Some theories quietly disappeared, others became stronger. But one fact never changed. The 16-day clock kept ticking exactly as before. No signs of intelligence, no coded message, no evidence of an alien beacon, just physics operating on a scale almost impossible to imagine. Today, The leading explanation remains a highly magnetized neutron star interacting with a companion star inside a binary system. It is the model that best explains the repeating cycle while matching the observed magnetic environment and changing radio properties. But scientists continue testing every assumption because astronomy has a long history of surprising us. Many discoveries once considered impossible eventually became accepted facts, and many perfect theories later turned out to be incomplete. That's what makes this mystery so compelling. The signal repeating every 16 days isn't important because it proves aliens exist. It doesn't. It's important because it reminds us how little we still know about the extreme universe. Somewhere, nearly 500 million light-years away, an invisible engine continues releasing bursts of energy so powerful they cross intergalactic space, only to arrive at Earth for a few brief days, then vanish again, like a lighthouse hidden beyond the edge of the known cosmos. Each pulse carries another piece of a puzzle scientists are still trying to solve. And perhaps one day, that perfectly timed 16-day heartbeat will reveal not just how these mysterious fast radio bursts are born, but entirely new physics waiting to be discovered among the stars.